Welcome to the DHIN Community Health Record Admin Tool tutorial. In this video, we'll show you how to manage your organization's users, from adding new accounts to resetting passwords and multi-factor authentication. Users with administrative access can manage CHR accounts for their organization. As an admin, you can view your user list, add or edit users, deactivate or reactivate accounts, and reset passwords or multi-factor authentication. To get started, let's look at your user list. To get to your user list, in the left menu, click My Organizations. Then click the Edit button on the right side of your organization name. You can also get to your user list by clicking the Users button in the left menu. The user list displays key information for each CHR user, including username, email, user type, account status, login failures, multi-factor authentication failures, and the last login date. Locked accounts show a locked icon if there are too many failed login or multi-factor authentication attempts. To add a new user, click the plus icon. In the Add User window, select your organization and fill in the user's details. You can let the system generate a random password, or you can create one yourself. Just make sure it's at least 12 characters long, with at least one lowercase letter, one uppercase letter, and one number. When you're ready, click the Save button. The new user can now log in and finish setting up their account. To edit an account, click the Edit icon on the right side of the user list. The user detail page has sections for demographics, security, and challenge questions. Once the user completes their challenge questions, you can use them to verify the user's identity. Use the action icons to make updates. Some fields, like username, cannot be changed. When you're done with your updates, click the Save button. To deactivate a user, click the Edit button on the right side of the user list. On the user detail page, click the Disable button. The user account is now inactive and will not be able to log into the CHR. To reactivate an account, on the user detail page, click the button that says User is disabled. Toggle to enable user. In the pop-up, select how you verified the user's identity, challenge questions, or direct verification if they're on site. Then choose Re-enable account and click the Enable button. The account is now active again. To reset a user's multi-factor authentication or password, open the user detail page. Once there, to reset the user's multi-factor authentication, click Reset User's MFA. In the pop-up, choose how you verified the user. Once done, you'll see a green confirmation message. The user will be prompted to set up multi-factor authentication again when they log in. To reset the user's password, click the Reset Password button. Then choose how you verified the user. Create a new password for the user following the criteria listed. Then click Update. The user will now be able to log in with their new password. They will be prompted to change their password upon login. If you have any questions about the DHIN CHR or any DHIN services, please reach out to the DHIN Service Desk or your Business Relationship Manager.